Owning a German or British luxury machine is not just about having money to buy the car. It is an annual commitment that demands respect and a dedicated account. Let me explain. Here's the true cost of owning a Tokunboh or brand new luxury whip in Nigeria. Let's go, guys. Number 1, having 50 million naira to buy a 6-year-old BMW S5 or a Range Rover Villa in the first place. Number 2, if now you ship the car, 10 million naira for custom duties, levies, and clearing charges. Because that VIN valuation system is vibing, and that your $25,000 got benchmarked as $60,000. Voila. Number 3, 500,000 naira for papers, registrations, of course, customized plate numbers, and definitely comprehensive insurance. Number 4, 300,000 naira for full initial synthetic oil change, diagnostic scan, and definitely software update at a specialist workshop in Ikoyi or Asokoro. And number 5, 150,000 naira for fill-ups at 1,500 naira per liter. And you drive a large displacement V6 or a V8. Multiply that by 100 liters. If you know, you know. And then you start driving the car. Number 6, Oga, how your face strong like this? You're actually a big boy, yo. 50k. Number 7, bam, you hit a pothole. Your suspension warning lights start flashing red. That's a separate 1.2 million naira for an imported air suspension system. Number 8, definitely your headlight has xenon or matrix, and one is doing like this. Then diagnosis says module failure, and that 450,000 naira for new module and the recording. And number 9, Oga, you suspected money launderer. When you see money buy this guy big car, another 50k, and it depends. And number 10, air vent stop blowing cold air, but the mechanic says, your compressor is fine, but the cooling fan has packed up, another 450,000 naira. And number 11, another premium filler, 150,000 naira, and you drive a V8 with the dream can well. That's another 150,000 naira every week, depending on how much you drive the car. And number 12, VVIP car detailing, because you want to take your luxury car to a mere car wash. Another 30k. And number 13, Alaye, show some love. I want more gel now. Another 10k. And number 14, Oga, you're a very big boy. Now you get this car. Another 50,000 naira. And it depends. And number 15, your special road flat low profile tire is wearing out, because of course Nigerian roads are very good. Full replacement set, 1.5 million naira. And number 16, remember that pothole damage that happened in number 7? They just damage your air suspension. The entire upper arm control and the bushing is gone, 400,000 naira. And number 17, specialized BMW and Mercedes-Benz approved oil change with synthetic and custom filters, 150,000 naira. And Okada man mistakenly crashed your car, 100,000 naira. And number 19, your high performance ceramic brake and rotors needs replacing, 800,000 naira. And number 20, your complex direct injection spark plug, if you drive a V8, all 8 of them, 120,000 naira. And number 21, a runaway stone mistakenly hit your heated and rain sensing windscreen with head-up display, 550,000 naira. Of course, is imported. And number 22, your luxury car will start because the electrical control unit, the ECU, is fried due to high voltage sparks and probably bad fuse or bad engineering, 900,000 naira for replacement and recoding. And number 23, who borrows a luxury car and probably damage it? Could be anybody, your friends, your family, your children. Or let us say they mistakenly hit that your M Sports alloy rims on a curb and it is not repairable, 700,000 naira per set. And number 23, your village people mistakenly followed you and you drove your luxury Mercedes, your luxury BMW or Land Rover in the Lagos Lekki flood, and immediately the check engine light starts glowing, water pump failure, alternator failure, electric driving system failure, 650,000 naira, and it depends. And number 25, Oga, this your car is fine, you. What do you do for a living? Another 50k. And it depends. Number 26, God forbid. Number 26, but somehow you shall crash the car, bumper gone, headlights gone, and your advanced driver assist systems and sensors gone, 5 million naira plus restoration and recoding. And number 26, the exhaust system has a leak in the catalyst converter, probably due to the poor fuel quality, 950,000 naira for special welding and replacement. And number 28, your AC actually finally stops working and the fault is in the climate control wiring harness. 250,000 naira. Number 29, oga, your tinted permit has expired and I'm suspecting this is your custom paper. Where station? 150,000 naira. And it depends. And number 30, your turbocharger start mixing very weird noise instead of the whistling sound and needs a full replacement. 1.8 million naira. Number 31. Technically, sir, you're never going to stop spending. You spent and spent and spent, and that's the true cost of ownership of the 1%. And this is a typical example of the price for the flex. And if you are not ready for this, please stick to your Toyota Corolla, your Toyota RAV4, your Lexus RX 350, or better still, your Toyota Highlander. It are still quite very cheap and easy to maintain. Buying and maintaining a luxury car in Nigeria is not for an average CEO. It's for the super elite with a dedicated car maintenance budget. And that car maintenance budget alone is probably your annual budget, your profits, or takeaway. This is just a typical example of how much it could cost. It could be more expensive and it could be less expensive, depending on the kind of luxury car you decide to go for. You're welcome.